In this video, let me show you how to fix Netflix error UI803. Now, if you're facing this issue, the main thing that you can try out is try to refresh the data stored on your device. And this issue mainly occurs on smart TVs as well as streaming devices like Roku or Amazon. But however, it can also sometimes happen on mobile phones as well. But however, depending upon your device, you'll need to first of all try to sign out of Netflix and then re-log in. And then also try to cold boot your device. So which means you can simply perform a full power, which means you can simply unplug the smart TV if you're having issues on your TV, and then leave it unplugged for about a minute and then try to restart it. This also helps to solve these sort of issues. But however, what you can also try out is try to clear out the app cache. If you're having this issue on the Android device or Android TV or on as well as Android mobile phones, what you can do is just head over to the eye icon. If you're using it on the Android device, you can simply head over to the settings, find the app of Netflix, and within the settings, you should be able to see the option called Clear Cache or Clear Data being displayed. You need to simply tap on this option. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Netflix error UI803. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.